Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android devices. And in today's video, I will show you on how to enable or disable developer mode option on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to about phone. Click on that. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here until you get to build number. Go ahead and tap on build number in 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue to tap. It's step 1 to a developer. Now you are a developer. So what we want to do right here is to enter our security lock pattern to verify our identity. Boom. You are now a developer, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do right there is to go ahead and go back to the setting page. Then we'll go ahead and click on search right here. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and search for developer. Then hit on search. Then in a few seconds here, we have developer options right here. Go ahead and click on developer options. Now you are here in the developer mode right here. So this is how to turn on developer mode on your Android devices without any stress. Lastly, if you want to turn off the developer mode options, just go ahead and click on here, and the developer mode option is going to be turned off. But bear in mind, whatever features you are using in developer mode options, it's not going to be work again because you have turned off developer options. That's it. So this is how to turn on or turn off developer options on your Android devices. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.